Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Amina. Amina had a reputation for being a bit careless and not very diligent when it came to cleaning. Her room was often in disarray, with clothes scattered about and dust gathering in the corners. One sunny day, a wise old traveler named Ali visited the village. He was known for his wisdom and kindness. As he walked through the village, he couldn't help but notice Amina's untidy room through her open window. Curious and concerned, Ali decided to pay Amina a visit. He knocked on her door, and with a warm smile, he introduced himself. Amina welcomed him inside, although she was a bit embarrassed about the state of her room. As they sat down, Ali began to talk to Amina about the importance of cleanliness and order in one's life. He shared stories of how keeping things tidy could bring peace and clarity to the mind. Amina listened intently, realizing that there might be more to cleaning than she had previously thought. Inspired by Ali's words, Amina decided to make a change. She started by tidying up her room, folding her clothes, and sweeping away the dust. With each task she completed, she felt a sense of accomplishment and newfound clarity. Word spread throughout the village about Amina's transformation. People came to see her clean and organized room, amazed by the positive change in her. They gathered around as Ali shared his wisdom about the significance of cleanliness in one's life. Amina's story became an inspiration to everyone in the village. They realized that cleaning and organizing their surroundings not only made their homes more pleasant, but also brought a sense of peace and contentment to their hearts and minds. From that day forward, the village became known for its cleanliness, and the people took pride in keeping their homes and streets spotless. Amina's simple but powerful transformation had taught them that even small changes in habits could lead to a happier and more fulfilling life. And so, the wise traveler Ali's visit and Amina's decision to embrace cleanliness not only changed her life but also touched the hearts of an entire village, reminding them that a clean environment leads to a clear and peaceful mind.